It's day one. We are in the vehicle. Keaton handmade these decals for the back windows. A little bit of extra insulation. We got one puppy. She's so beautiful. You want dinner? You're hungry. We got two puppies. We got three puppies. And we got an awesome man. We are officially taking off. Woohoo! Oh, we're taking off so fast they're not buckled in. But got this awesome bed.
Hey, Bubba.
We'll see how this goes. Are you excited?
I'm alright.
Are you excited to sleep while I drive? As he crunches on sugary candy.
You can't eat.
Yeah, so I turn into a bitch. But you've got ADD and a little bit of ADHD, so
Never heard anybody say it.
that sugar just, oh my goodness.
Calms you down. Calms me down.
I was just referring to the fact that sugar makes you sleepier than
Why is
most
that?
people. I think because of the ADHD. I don't say that a lot. We say ADD a lot. Look at us. We're 2 minutes in and we're already arguing. All right, it is already time to make puppy dinner. I got some canned tuna and some rice. Right now, that's it. Get back. Get back now. Oh yeah, really getting into it here. Yay! Dog food. And because I'm so awesome at packing, I lost the other two little doggy bowls, so they got to eat one at a time. I got to rinse my hands off first. Okay, Weta, you're first. Come here. Come here. Come here. Weta. Come here. Oh my goodness, you're so awkward. So hungry. This is for Weta. Stay in the truck. Stay. Good girl, Weta Beer. Get back. Get in the back. Go. Get in the back. Go. Go on. Jump. Go on. Thank you. Stay in the back. Stay. Good girl, Weta Beer. Okay. That's it. Time for the next doggy. Good girl. Hey. Here. There you go. Good boy. Hey. Coma slow. Stop. Making sure he eats slower. Yay! Good girl, Sassy Bear. My little slow eater. Well, the plan was to go to Canyon Lake, but we were driving through Schulenburg, and every time that we drive through Schulenburg, it's the middle of the night, and my favorite bakery is closed. And so tonight, he was actually awake, and so instead of driving on through, I said, oh man, like we're 7 miles from that place I like to stop. And he said, why don't we stop, and just sleep there until they open in the morning. So it is midnight now, not that late, like 12:15, 12:30, and we pulled up to the bakery and we were hungry, and so we stopped at Whataburger. I was really actually disappointed about that because I thought, ooh, we're going to do so good on this trip and we're going to cook and we brought so much food in the fridge. But no, we stopped at a Whataburger. And down the street from there is this park called Walters Park. And it's open 24 hours. You know, so we found a nice dark place to park the truck so that we don't get kept awake all night by the lights, and then get our food here in the park. And now I'm looking to see if they have a restroom. And if they don't, well then, obviously I'm just going to pee in the grass. So, this is a really cute park. All right, back to the task at hand. I found the restrooms. Man, I've been coming to this town my whole life. We do family reunions here for my grandma's side of the family. Nice. But I have never been to this park. I'm really glad I found this place. I was also disappointed that we got Whataburger because they have a couple of camp stoves here next to some of the picnic tables. So I said, oh, we can cook. And he said, nope. It's like, fine. All right, the task at hand. The location has been found.
Boy, come on, wait a beer.
Oh, what a mess. Okay, those bathrooms were disgusting, but they were here, so that's fine.
Better be shitting on this basketball court. You'd be like,
Oh my goodness, you're horrible. Shirako, what are you doing at that tree?
come on, booger butt. Let's go.
Yeah, these trees are old. The stars are nice. Oh, the stars that you can't see because cell phone. Sassy! No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I don't want to get that shit on my neck. What are your thoughts on this night, honey?
It's a nice, cool summer's eve.
A nice,
Some very old
cool
trees.
summer's
A
eve.
very old park in the middle of Schulenburg. I like it. It's pretty nice.
Yay! And if we don't get bothered here while we sleep tonight
For 5 hours.
then I'm going to add it to the iOverlander app as a place that you can sleep at. All right. I'm going to go take a shower in the dark at this park. Sounds fun. Hey, come on. Good girl, Sassy Bear. Good boy, Rocco. Let's go. This is what it looks like in the daytime here at this park. There are a lot of stray cats out here. There's actually one on that branch over there. It's just blocked right now. Ooh, there's his little head. Yeah, and the dogs smell them. They don't, it's hard to get them to walk anywhere because they just want to stop and smell everything. But we are taking a trip to the bathroom because Mama's got to go pee-pee. Good boy. Yeah, it's real nice out here. It's a little bit chilly, actually. Even though we could see a ton of stars last night, a bunch of clouds rolled in as the morning came. So. Yep, that's the current update. You want to go down, monkey puppy? Yeah. Ooh, be careful. I'll help you. Stay. Oh, hey, Sassy Bear. Stay. I'm gonna help Rocco. Yeah. Oh, good boy. I got you. Are you okay? Yeah? Okay. Go play. Hey, Sassy Bear, you wanna come up? Yeah? Okay. There you go. My little mountain goat. Oh, I got you. It's a little slippery, huh? We gotta try later when it's not wet. I'm gonna go see if these any of these picnic tables have a grill next to them like I thought. See if I can make some eggs for the dog's breakfast. You stay. You bet. Good boy. Good boy. Leave it better than you found it, kids. Come on. Come on. Wow, good boy. You're so fast. Come on, Sassy. Sassy. Brrr. Come on. Good girl, Sassy Bear. Good girl. More trash. As you can see, it's not that far from a trash can. People are just lazy. Come on, Rocco, this way. Good girl, Sassy Bear. Good girl. All right. Now we're going to go see if we can find a little barbecue pit. There's a truck. Rocco, where you going? You to go pee-pee on that tree? Okay, well, how is this morning gone, huh, puppies? See, the dogs keep running off on me. I failed to start a fire. I have no lighter fluid and also no skills. And they are begging for this food, so it's time for me to give it to them. I just fed the dogs their breakfast. None of it was cooked. Excuse me. They got stuff on my face. Don't even know what it is. They are used to getting cooked eggs for breakfast when I make them eggs. And today it was raw. Hey, Sassy Bear. Sassy was not thrilled about it. The other two were loving it. Wetta's actually here. See that cleaning the bowl right now? Oh my goodness, I just probably need to drink more water. I haven't had any today. All this has just been used to clean my hands last night and today, and then clean the cutting board. I am super excited to go to, oh, my nose is itchy, the Country Bakery though. Super excited. Gonna get a sausage kolache. And probably like a poppy seed kolache. I need to exercise. I need to do some yoga or something. I didn't bring a yoga mat. There's just so much stuff already in the vehicle. I didn't want to add to it anymore. Plus, there's not really any room. But when I travel by myself, I'm definitely taking a yoga mat. What do you want? My little beggar. I'm gonna come up. Do I get morning sugars? No, we're not morning sugars. Come on, give me morning sugars. You stay by me, Weta. Stay. Weta keeps being super independent today and just running away. Shirako! Chasing a cat. Told you, there's a lot of cats. Rocco! Hey! Come here. Yes. Cordy. Oh my goodness. What a morning. It's really not like that dramatic. Just, I only got 5 hours of sleep. So it feels a lot more dramatic than it is. We showered last night. Or I did. Got like totally naked in the parking lot up there. Took a half shower. Washed all the important parts. I'm pretty sure the reason I didn't shower before we left yesterday, on top of wanting to just get out of there as quickly as possible because it's taken so long already, was because I wanted to shower on the road if I could. Oh, okay. It's time for me to get my lazy butt up. Sleepy man.
It's beautiful here.
Yes, it is.
This parking lot is so majestic. It's rock.
Oh, there's one person over there running. Wow.
Away.
It's the first human I've seen in days. All right. I skipped out on the yoga because he woke up. But now we're going to go to the bakery. Bye, little park. Oh, shit. Yay, I got canned tuna all over my seat.